Hello, welcome in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to set up the TPMS tire pressure monitoring system sensors in your Chevy or maybe GMC. It should be very similar between GM trucks and cars. So after changing wheels from winter to summer or backwards, you have to reset the TPM system because the car remembers only 4 wheels and remembers its position. So when I changed the wheels to summer, I had to reset all wheels to tell the car which one is, for example, front left and which one is front right. When you want to do this, you have to go through the procedure, which is very simple. It starts by turning the key to the first position. Also, I recommend you to separate the key and the remote control, because you will have to push also the lock button, so it can cause that you lock the car with the keys inside. So I will use only my key and turn to first position. And the second step is to push these two buttons, lock and unlock, in the same time, and it should activate the learning process of the TPMS. And it should also make some noise or sound from the horn. So here it is, tire learning active. And now the car shows us by turn signal light which wheel we should deflate a little bit to learn which wheel is from which side. So the first one is front left wheel. So I will deflate by using my key, and the car should announce that it's already learned. Perfect, it's learned. Second wheel should be front right. Nice. Another one is obviously rear right, because it goes clockwise from the driver's wheel to the left rear wheel. Usually it takes some time. Perfect. And the last one. Wait for a few seconds. Very good. And the learning is done. So you can see that the relearning process of the TPMS is very easy, and you can do it by yourself anytime you want. So only one thing you will have to do after this relearning process is to check your tire pressure and set it for proper value you need. So I hope that you enjoyed this video and it will be useful, and see you in next video. Bye.